Hey guys, we're going to discuss today's journal. So, for your journal today, it says remember to date your journal and attempt to write 5 or more sentences. Set a timer for yourself and try to write 5 sentences in 5 minutes. It says you will need to set up a new journal document in your Google Docs. Journal number 6 for August 28th, 2020 is in your own words, describe a hurricane to someone not from Louisiana or a neighboring state. You can write in sentence form or create an acrostic poem describing the natural weather phenomena. Be as descriptive as possible. So, what you're going to do is first we're going to go set this up. So I'm going to click new tab. Sorry. And this over here is an example of an acrostic piece of poetry. I wanted to include that for you guys in case you forgot. But this is where you take the word and you write it down the side of the page and create a sentence describing with starting with each letter. So like hurricanes can reach 400 to 40,000 to 50,000 feet high. Sorry, trying to squint to read. But that's an idea for you for an acrostic. But let's go ahead and remember we're going to set up our journal. So I'm going to hit this plus sign. I'm going to go over here to my Waffle or what your Google Apps is called your G Suite. You're going to click on that. You're going to hit Docs. Once Docs pops up, you're going to hit blank document. And I'm going to start off by titling it. So up here where it says rename or untitled document, I would put my first initial, last name, and then week 2 journals. Even though this is not week 2, but it's our second week of journaling. So up here, I'm going to make sure that I have my text set to Times New Roman and my font 12 points. Then where my cursor is blinking, I'm going to type my first and last name. So this would be your first and last name. Then I'm going to type my ELA block. So this will be ELA block or hour. So you can put first and second hour, fifth and sixth, seventh and eighth. Then I'm going to put my teacher, which is me, Miss Guidry. And then I would go ahead and I would hit enter again. I'm going to label it Journal 6. I'm going to hit my colon. I'm going to put August 28th, 2020. Now, from there, I would hit enter again. You have two options. If you're going to start typing down the page like as a paragraph, you would hit tab. Tab automatically indents for you, and then you would start typing about hurricanes. Hurricanes are, and then I would continue describing hurricanes. I could describe using descriptive words like massive, large, weather phenomena. I can talk about how destructive they are, anything along those lines. If you're going to do an acrostic, you would come down, you would just hit enter, and you would do your H, and then you would start typing your sentence. Hurricanes are and then I would have my first sentence. And then the next letter is a U. So I'm going to start with a capital U, usually, and then done. That'll be my next sentence. And then I will continue on with an R, I, C, A, N, E. And S. Now, it's up to you which one you choose to do. Acrostic poetry is usually pretty easy, and your goal is to come up with 1 sentence per line. So, you choose. Do you want to write me a descriptive paragraph describing hurricanes, or do you want to use your descriptors in the form of a acrostic poem? I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Happy Friday, guys.